Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at a question that was part of the admission test for entrance onto Cambridge's computer science course. So let's get straight into it. It is given that f of x is equal to minus 2x squared plus 10. Consider the following three curves: y equals f of x, y equals f of x plus 1, the curve y equals f of x plus 1 reflected in the line y equals 6. The trapezium rule is used to estimate the area under each of these three curves between x is 0 and x is 1. State whether the trapezium rule gives an overestimate or underestimate for each of these areas. So one important distinction that we can make to help us in this question is that if a curve is convex, using the trapezium rule will give an overestimate. And if the curve is concave, then it will in general give an underestimate. So let's first consider curve 1. So in order to find whether it's convex or concave, we need to take the double derivative. So f dashed of x is going to be minus 4x, and f double dashed of x is going to be minus 4, which is less than 0, therefore the curve is concave. Using the trapezium rule will give us an underestimate, so we can disregard these options. Considering curve 2, well, this has equation minus 2x plus 1 squared plus 10, or expanding we get minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Now again we consider the first derivative, which is going to give us minus 4x minus 4, and the double derivative is going to give us minus 4, which again is less than 0, so therefore this curve is concave. So this means that for curve 2, we also get an underestimate, so we can remove these options. So one thing that's interesting to note is that for curves of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, the double derivative is negative if a is negative. And if a is positive, then our double derivative will be positive. It's going to be useful when we consider curve 3. Let's draw a quick sketch of curve 2. And note that we're being asked to reflect in the line y equals 6, so we'll draw this in as well. So our reflection is going to look a little something like this. But what's most important to note is that clearly this, when written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, a is going to be positive, as it's an upward opening parabola. So like we stated earlier, this means that the double derivative is also going to be positive, which means the function is convex, and therefore is going to give us an overestimate. So our answer is going to be B. So how did you find this question? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and share it to a friend to see if they can solve it too.